A Bissell CleanView Helix system. I just have it laying down, so I'm going to show you the brush bar. Look how much hair is on that. Yeah. And we'll open up the canister. Right full. And here's the filter. Can't be much suction there. Well, that's definitely plugged for sure. See how much dust is in this one. Yeah, wash it with water and the camera rolling. See if it'll fire up. There's got to be some suction there now. Even that little bit of banging off the filter. But I didn't put this piece in, the foam. I just have the filter in there right now. I'm going to see if there's suction coming out of here. I know there's suction in the brush bar because I was picking up stones. Oh yeah. So I got to take it all apart and clean it in a bin of water, the whole thing. Must have some good power. That's how many rocks I picked up.